Diesel engine bikes have faced several challenges that have contributed to their lack of commercial success. Here are a few reasons why diesel engine bikes have struggled. Weight and size. Diesel engines are generally heavier and larger than their gasoline counterparts. Motorcycles require lightweight and compact powertrains for optimal performance and maneuverability. The bulkier nature of diesel engines can affect the handling and overall balance of a motorcycle, making them less appealing to riders. Power-to-weight ratio. Diesel engines tend to have lower power-to-weight ratios compared to gasoline engines. Motorcycles often rely on high power-to-weight ratios for acceleration, speed, and agility. Diesel engines may not provide the same level of performance and responsiveness that many riders desire. Vibrations and noise. Diesel engines are known for their characteristic vibrations and loud operation. Motorcycles are expected to deliver a smooth and enjoyable riding experience, and the inherent vibrations and noise of diesel engines can be off-putting to riders. Refueling infrastructure. Diesel fuel is primarily associated with commercial vehicles and is less commonly available at standard gas stations compared to gasoline. The limited availability of diesel fueling stations can make it inconvenient for diesel bike owners to refuel their motorcycles, especially during long trips or in remote areas. Market perception and demand. Diesel engines have traditionally been more prevalent in heavy-duty vehicles, such as trucks and industrial equipment, rather than in motorcycles. As a result, there is often perception among consumers that diesel engines are better suited for larger vehicles. This perception can limit the demand for diesel-powered motorcycles. It's worth noting that there have been attempts to introduce diesel motorcycles in certain markets, particularly for specific applications such as long-distance touring or military use. However, overall consumer demand and the challenges mentioned above have hindered the widespread success of diesel engine bikes in the mainstream motorcycle market. But why every company is focusing on electric scooters more than bikes or super bikes? Well, that's a topic for another video. Till then, please subscribe to the Learning Tribe and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos.